Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. Today, I want to tell you a story. It is about my daily life and how I learn English at home. So, let's start. I live a simple and quiet life. Everything around me feels calm and friendly. The roads are clean and people smile when they meet. Trees stand beside the roads, and small open places make the area feel fresh. The sky looks clear and wide, and the air feels soft and pleasant. Every morning I wake up to gentle sounds. Birds sing softly, and the day starts slowly. These little moments make me feel calm and happy. They give me good energy to begin my day with a peaceful mind. During the day, I see people going to work, children playing and laughing, and small daily things happening everywhere. Life moves in a slow and easy way, and it makes me thankful for my life. My school is near my home. I walk there every day with my friends. We talk about our studies, dreams, and future. We laugh, joke, and enjoy our walk. Time goes fast when you walk with friends. After school, I come back home and freshen up. Then I sit with my family for lunch. My mother cooks simple and healthy food. We eat together and share our day. These moments make me feel loved and safe. After lunch, I take a short rest. Then I start studying. I open my English books and learn new words and sentences. I keep a small notebook for hard words. I try to use them while speaking. Sometimes I stand in front of a mirror and speak English to myself. This helps me feel more confident. I also keep a small dictionary near me. When I see a new word, I check its meaning. Sometimes I draw a small picture near the word. This makes learning fun and helps me remember easily. I like watching English cartoons. They are fun and easy to understand. I listen carefully to the words and repeat the sentences loudly. Sometimes I stop the video and say the same line many times. Learning feels easy when I enjoy it. I also enjoy listening to English songs. I sing with the music. Even if I don't know every word, I enjoy the sound and music. Sometimes I write the song words in my notebook and read them before sleeping. My father helps me learn English. He knows a little English and helps me with reading and speaking. He always says, "Speak slowly and clearly." He tells me confidence is more important than speed. Sometimes he tells short English stories and acts them in a funny way. We laugh and learn together. My mother also supports me a lot. She always says, "Practice every day." She believes small effort brings big success. She feels happy when I speak English. Her smile gives me power and courage. In the evening, I play with my friends. We play many games together. We use simple English words while playing. Run, pass, catch, stop. Sometimes we try to speak only English for a few minutes. We make funny sentences and laugh. Learning feels easy when it feels like a game. Sometimes my friend Rahim comes to study with me. We sit in a quiet place and practice English together. We ask questions, make short talks, and tell small stories. One day, we dream of writing a book. We want to name it Learning English Every Day.
At night, I read English storybooks. Only one page each day. I remind myself that one page is better than nothing. Sometimes I feel tired, but I still try. Even a small effort makes me happy. Reading slowly helps me understand better. I do not rush myself. My father listens and smiles. His smile gives me confidence. That makes me feel proud. Before sleeping, I repeat new words in my mind. I say the words softly, again and again. This helps my memory grow stronger. Sometimes I even dream in English. In my dreams, I talk to people from many countries. They listen to me with interest. I feel brave when I speak. It feels exciting and full of hope. I have a dream. I want to speak English with confidence. I want to speak without fear. I want my words to be clear and strong. Sometimes my voice feels weak, but my dream feels strong. I remind myself to keep trying. I want to talk to people around the world. I want to share ideas and stories. I want to learn, travel, and share my story. One day, I want to teach English to people who feel afraid to speak. I want to help them feel confident too. I want to show that where you come from does not stop dreams. Dreams can grow anywhere. Big dreams are not only for special places. They belong to everyone. I believe English can open many doors. It can change our future step by step. Sometimes I teach my little sister easy English words. She smiles and repeats after me. She enjoys learning with me. We laugh while learning together. We learn through games and pictures. Learning feels like play for her. Her favorite word is happy. She smiles every time she says it. Her smile makes my heart warm. Teaching her makes my learning more special.
My friends and I help each other. We study together and grow together. We correct mistakes with kindness. No one feels shy in our group. Everyone feels safe to speak. We always say, mistakes help us learn. We remind each other to try again. We started a small English practice group. It started with a big dream. Every weekend we meet and practice. We share stories and play speaking games. We encourage each other to speak more. We choose one English star each week. This keeps us excited and happy. Remember, my dear friends, do not be afraid. Fear is a part of learning. Speak slowly. Take your time. Speak clearly. Your words matter. Never give up. Your voice is important. Small steps every day bring big success. Practice is more important than perfection. Trying is better than waiting. Thank you so much for listening to my story. Thank you for giving me your time. This is how I learn English every day. If my story touched your heart, remember one thing. You do not need a perfect time to start. You do not need perfect English. You only need courage and one small step. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Your story can start with one word, one sentence, or one brave try. Never feel bad about mistakes. Mistakes mean learning. Mistakes show you are trying. Every try makes you stronger. Every day makes you better. English is not only a language. It is a way to new chances, new people, and new dreams. It helps you share your thoughts. So promise yourself today. Read a little. Listen carefully. Speak slowly. And practice every day. Be kind to yourself while learning. One day, the English you feared will become your strength. You will look back and smile. Thank you for being part of my journey. Your support means a lot to me. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe. For more simple and inspiring stories, I will come back very soon with another story and another lesson. I will keep learning with you. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye-bye, my dear friends. Take care and always believe in yourself.